Tell me your name first.
Yes, Namaskaram. I am Natasha Srimati Devjani Chatterjee, a Bharatanatyam practitioner and researcher, teacher.
Ma'am, could you please tell me who has organized this entire event?
Okay, so this particular evening, the Margali Utsavam that happened just now that you witnessed, is organized by my organization, Pravaha Kala Bhumi, in association with the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, and Sri Guru Bhairappan Temple. Now, we performed this evening as a part of the 6 day long festival that is happening at the temple for the 31st Pratishtha Divas celebrations. So the temple had graciously given us the venue today to conduct the first ever Bengal Margali Utsavam, which has been a long dream of mine, and finally we could stage it today.
Ma'am, your academy, what are you doing actually? What all are you into? Like, is
Okay.
this only, yeah, you can say.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Okay, so unofficially speaking, I'm into a lot of things.
Hmm.
First of all, definitely, I am a mother, a homemaker with my two kids. Uh, but my work life encompasses. I'm a lecturer of zoology and environmental studies in Calcutta University. And for the last 23 years, I'm also I have my own organization, my Academy of Performing Arts called Pravaha Kala Bhumi.
Yeah.
And I have been training students and we have been performing all across the country and also outside, both national and internationally. I consider myself a very mere practitioner of my art form, a student, a learner, and I learn also through teaching. And my pursuit in life is to propagate the traditional essence of Bharatiya culture.
Yeah. Please carry on.
My pursuit is to contribute to the propagation of Indian traditional culture and art forms. And in this context, I try to do my bit. Apart from my traditional performances, I'm very much into producing dance productions,
Yeah.
keeping the traditional foundation and essence of my Bharatanatyam intact,
Hmm.
but with global perspectives, with thought evoking ideas that can reach out to people of all ages and people all across the globe.
So, ma'am, whenever the performance you organize or whatever event you organize, so you are traveling with your own students.
Yes,
You are
yes.
also performing on stage.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So,
I had a performance in the Temple Festival 2 days back.
okay.
We had a whole evening performance here on 16th here at the temple, and grace of God, it was a resounding success. And all the devotees were very happy, and they were very touched. And yes, I perform. I teach. I am a student, as I told you. So every performance is like an examination, and every performance is so full of excitement. And frankly speaking, to me, dance, as I keep on saying,
Yes.
dance in life and life in dance,
Mm-hmm.
because Indian performing arts, it's just not a physical discipline, it's a holistic discipline, and it's a way of living. And I try to live by it. The blessings of my gurus.
So, you said you have children. So,
Yes.
what are they doing, and what would you want to like teach them about the cultural activities?
Okay, so I have many children. I mean, over the years, I've been a teacher for more than 20 years. So I have lots of children, and I am a grandparent in that sense today.
Yes.
Yes, because my
Yeah,
kids,
that
they
way,
have
yes.
their own kids.
Hmm.
So I love spending time with all my students, my
Hmm.
children. I have a big family.
Hmm.
Biologically, I have two children,
Hmm.
and they are, one is finishing school,
All right.
and the other one is still in school. And apart from that, I have students of all ages from 3 years to almost 40 years. Yes, and even more actually. So for them, I think I live by what I say.
Yes.
And that is what I keep on telling them,
Hmm.
that you practice what you think and believe in. And if you are strong internally,
Hmm.
no challenges in life
Hmm.
can stop you,
True.
and you have to give complete surrender and faith
Yeah.
to whoever you want. It can be the Almighty, it can be your parents, it can even be your kids.
Yeah.
You have to have a very strong internal core energy and keep believing in yourself. You have to love your own self. Only then you can love everybody else.
True. Dance is all about energy and full of enthu. So you are a teacher, you are a professor, you are a lecturer, you have said. At the same time, you are a dancer also, and you are a very good dancer. What I can make out from whatever you're saying. So why this is why you love dance so much? What do you get out of it when you dance? Like, do you imagine anything, or have you ever dreamt of something special that you want to be a dancer?
Okay, frankly speaking, it was never a planned decision in my life that dance would become such an integral and important part of my life.
Yeah.
So, nobody in my family is into any art form.
Hmm.
So, I'm the odd one out in
Oh,
that sense.
okay, yes.
So, I never planned to become a dancer. I always used to love dance, and it was my mother's wish, and she saw that I could dance. So, she took me to my first dance class at Kalamandalam, Kolkata, and I really don't know when dance became so important in my life, but I give all credits to my gurus. I've been fortunate to come into contact, to come under the blessings of so many great masters of this art form, and it is through them
Hmm.
dance became myself and I became a part of it. And I'm so fortunate that I have got this opportunity, this blessing from the Lord, that I'm able to contribute and dance. Because if I may quote a line from Sri Narayana himself, Sri Krishna says that he doesn't live in the hearts of the yogis or the people who are in nurturing shastras. He lives in the hearts of his bhaktas who sing and dance his name.
True.
I live by that. And I believe my bhakti in the Lord and in my dance is what keeps me alive and keeps me positive and keeps me walking and working.
So dance is your life
Yes.
and love,
Yes.
both. Now, lastly,
And
just
my sadhana.
of course. Now, lastly, just repeat your name once. Tell me your name and the name of your academy and the today's event organization name.
So I am Srimati Devjani Chatterjee. I'm a Bharatanatyam practitioner, teacher, and a researcher. I work for both the performative and the scholastic aspect of dance, and I am the director artistic head of Pravaha Kala Bhumi.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and wish you all the best for everything you do in life.
Thank you so much.